Hello, my name is Greg Pelly. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and today we're going to talk about start to finish video on a spray foam roof over metal. And the project was called Tubular Steel, their office roof, which is in Lorain, Ohio, about 4,000 square feet. And in this video, we're going to go over before, in progress, and after photos. And really the highlight of this project is the wide and deep metal grooves of the metal panels. Spraying 3 inches plus of spray foam in between them would not be aesthetically pleasing. So to avoid that, we installed wood panels in between each panel and then sprayed over it. And the other issue was the added gutter extension, which was forcing water to enter under the metal panels and into the office roof and cause a leak. And to combat this, we installed a flange back gutter system, which eliminates any potential water backup. Enjoy.